In today's video, we are taking a look at a toy that has entertained kids for generations, the Slinky. Guys, we have a lot of Slinkies today. Slinkies are pretty awesome. If you were ever a kid, which I really hope you were, you've probably played with one of these. If you were a couple of really weird grown-ups, you're gonna play with them today.
That's us.
Yeah. Here's the basic idea. We have tons of different types of Slinkies. We are gonna put them through a series of tests. We wanna see what sort of stairs work best with these and what else we might be able to do with them. So Slinkies, they were invented by Richard James, who was actually a naval engineer, and he and his wife introduced them to Gimbel's department store in Philadelphia in the early 1940s. They were actually incredibly worried that they weren't gonna take off. They paid a friend to play with the first one, and within the first few hours, they sold over 400. Since then, they have been absolutely loved, and these metal Slinkies, they have not changed at all. The only change is this small little safety crimp at the end. Other than that though, nothing has changed. So these things are really, really fun. Now, I learned quite a few things while researching Slinkies, namely the fact that Veritasium has done a pretty cool test. We're gonna try that out. Nate, you were telling me that Slinkies make a very specific and very iconic sound.
That's true. What I've heard is that one of the sound effects for Star Wars, firing off a blaster, is made by suspending a Slinky and then hitting it and having that sound wave travel down through. When you're just doing it next to it, you don't hear too much. You hear like a shaking sound, but you don't hear the Star Wars noise. Yeah. The sound is audible when you put your ear right to the opening, and I'm gonna put my microphone in there so you can hear it.
So uncivilized.
This is a really fun experiment to just see the movement of a wave through a solid.
So I feel like we need to do a few different tests. Unfortunately, the stairs at our location right now aren't really ideal for Slinky usage, especially because I got all the regular size Slinkies and then Nate shows up with this. Yeah, that. Nate, where in the world?
The internet.
That makes sense.
Of course.
We're gonna be entertained by doing this for a really long time, so maybe we should try the stairs here, see how it goes, and then if not, move locations?
Let's try them.
All right.
I feel like maybe stairs were narrower in the 1940s, if this is the same size.
That's true.
Just because every Slinky seems to have a specific width. It's one of the most classic things you do with a Slinky. You put it on stairs and then you pull it over really hard and it just sort of walks itself down, gloriously shown off in many, many forms of media. My favorite is Ace Ventura 2.
Everyone loves a Slinky!
As you whip a Slinky over, it has sort of a certain distance that it travels, and you can maybe exaggerate that distance a little bit, but it is gonna have a natural radius. And so if you've got stairs that are too wide, obviously, if my stairs were several feet wide, it's not gonna Slinky over. So you need to have something sort of like.
All right, so we do have stairs outside. Choose your champion.
Oh boy.
I chose mine.
I'll try the standard metal.
All right,
See
let's
how
go.
this goes.
Let's see how this works. Ready?
Ready.
Who do you think is gonna win?
I don't think my Slinky is gonna get down more than one stair.
I think mine's going to fail horribly, but I think it's gonna go farther than yours.
Yeah, this Slinky needs narrower stairs. I think yours might need wider stairs.
Honestly, the plastic Slinkies, they don't work as well. But yeah, these stairs are, I would say 4 inches too wide. We're gonna see.
Ready.
Your mark, get set, and Slinky. I win!
By a long margin.
Goodbye, 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 goodbye.
Oh, so close.
Woo!
That was actually really close to going all the way. It angled a little bit. Let's try again, starting yours right in the middle. Mine clearly
didn't go anywhere. On your mark, get set, and Slinky. Slinky, Slinky, Slinky. Oh no, no! Okay, I put it too far back. Hang on. On your mark, get set, and Slinky. Slinky. Come on!
It really likes going at an angle.
Why? But it still
went
goes.
Pretty well at the end.
Okay, Nate, you're gonna try yours one more time.
Yeah, I think I solved it.
Okay. Well,
it made it all the way down the stairs.
Listen, due to technicality, that did work.
Yeah, it did.
For some reason, it's just so satisfying to just shove it off the staircase.
And it just likes going left.
Oh, until it hits it likes me more.
Clearly.
We have about 30 more Slinkies. We have a giant Slinky. It's time for more stairs, Nate.
I think you're right.
So Nate,
We found some stairs.
we found a few more stairs.
Still not sure if these stairs are steep enough and narrow enough, but we
They're
can try a few different
absolutely
types of Slinkies.
Way too wide. We were concerned about the fact that the stairs were too wide back at
And then
the
we
studio.
found some wider ones.
But here's the thing. I've got upwards of 50 Slinkies, and I think if I were to just chuck them.
They won't slinky, but they'll do something.
Okay, listen. First, let's start out with a regular Slinky test. After that, let's just get creative. Go, go, go.
It worked flawlessly.
Listen, we have some metal Slinkies in here somewhere. There we go. Okay, on your mark. Get set. Slinky! Oh.
One slink.
Slinky! 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 Everybody loves a Slinky! This is exactly how this is meant to go. I did it! Hey, that's a cheating way to get it down the stairs. You are cheating, sir. You are a cheater, McCheaterson.
I think I need slipperier pants.
We're both gonna try something. I think my way's gonna work best. He thinks his is.
Here goes.
Go for it.
That's definitely not how Slinkies work.
That's absolutely how Slinkies work. I chucked a pile of Slinkies down, what, 50 stairs? There are Slinky shrapnel bits. There's some over there. Nate's got the remnants of one. Some of our Slinkies just did not survive. What are you talking about? That's glorious.
2.5 steps.
Hang on, hang on. If you keep it right on the very edge here.
Nice.
Okay, fine, your turn. All right,
The Mega Slinky.
we named that one. Well, no, we already have a Big Bertha. I don't know what this is. Okay. We named that one Sadness and Disappointment.
This one, the springiness is not quite scaled to the size, so it doesn't pull itself back together very well. As a result of it not springing, it just likes to lay flat instead of staying in a cylinder.
So, some of my Instagram and Snapchat friends didn't believe I was actually doing this, so Woo! Now I gotta clean that up.
I think this is more of a gag than anything else. Wonder if my head can fit in it.
Take the glasses off. I'm gonna put the glasses over the Slinky. Here you go. Here you go. There you go. That's great. That looks great.
This is a good look.
There you go. Should we find some other stairs, maybe?
We should try.
All right. Listen, it's not happy. Yes, 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 yay, happy. Okay, so Nate, how long have we been searching?
Oh, we've driven around quite a bit. I think we discussed this. Every Slinky is going to have stairs that are just the right width for them, and this is the best we've found so far. They're just under 1 foot.
They are, but the thing is, we have come to a beautiful location, and the only stairs that are working are right by our utility closet. That's all we can find. Go, 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 go. Come on, little buddy, you can do it. I have faith in you. You're doing so good. You're doing so good.
That's like the sideways climb. Does like a roll Slinky.
How is it so hard to find stairs for Slinkies in 2019?
Oh, self-correcting. Got back on track.
Richard James, you had the right idea. Metal slinkies are the way to go. Also, whoever decided that stairs should be safe and wide, you killed the slinky game. You killed it, sir. Or ma'am. All right, guys, so we are going to also be attempting Veritasium's experiment. When you drop a slinky from a high height, the spring force itself actually equals the gravitational pull. So the bottom of the slinky will actually stay in place until the top reaches it, and then the whole thing will fall. So Nate's gonna be up in the boom lift. Let's see how this works. We're gonna try both a regular slinky and 3 that we have put together. All right, 3, 2, 1. That was actually really cool, guys.
I think
that
that
was
worked
awesome.
perfectly. From my view, it did look like the bottom stayed still until the top got to it.
It did. I was not expecting that. That's so cool. 3, 2, 1. All right, so for this one, this is actually 2 slinkies that have been glued together, but these are plastic. We've never seen it done with plastic before, so maybe somebody's done it, but we haven't, so we want to see if it works the same.
3, 2, 1.
Well, the bottom didn't move.
It looked like the bottom did move. It didn't collapse in a perfect column.
It did not,
But
no.
I think the bottom stayed still until gravity caught up with the rest of it. I like it.
You've got one more up there with you.
I do, and this is a triple metal spring.
Oh no.
And I'm not sure if this is high enough or if I'm gonna have to go higher still.
You will absolutely have to go higher.
3, 2, 1.
Wow! Okay, so same thing. It did not work the same way as a single slinky. However, the bottom, I don't think moved.
From here, not a great view. I think it worked all right. I also think we've definitely ruined this slinky in many ways. Look how stretched out the top of that is.
This is not working the way I wanted it to. There we go. Slinky scarf. Guys, that was a lot of fun, and you know we've always got more for you to see. If you want to see our latest video, go ahead and click that box up at the top, and we'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.